Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to select a layer. So we have this example drawing, and if you want to select layer in this drawing, you can right click and then choose quick select. Now you can set for the properties to layer, and then next you can select in here for value layer. So like I will use a property, and you can click OK. It will be automatically select the property layer. So if you want to select another layer, you can right click again, go to quick select, and then next choose layer for properties, and then change the value here. Like I will set to this layer and click OK. So it will be automatically select the layer. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial how to select a layer.